Welcome to the world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary homes. In this exploration of stylish wood crafts, we delve into the art of creating beautiful, functional pieces that enhance home decor while also offering lucrative business opportunities. Whether you are an experienced woodworker or just starting your journey, the possibilities are endless. From rustic charm to modern minimalism, wood crafts can add warmth and character to any environment, making it an appealing avenue for both personal expression and entrepreneurial success. As we navigate through various project ideas and inspirations, we'll discover how the fusion of reclaimed materials, innovative designs, and sustainable practices can not only elevate your living space, but also resonate with a growing market of eco-conscious consumers. The demand for unique, handcrafted items is on the rise, presenting an exciting opportunity for artisans to carve out their niche in the woodworking industry. Join us as we explore stylish wood crafts that not only beautify homes, but also reflect a commitment to quality, sustainability, and creativity in every piece. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of stylish wood crafts, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Your support helps us continue to bring you innovative ideas and practical tips that elevate your woodworking skills and home decor. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who appreciate the beauty of handcrafted items. We encourage you to stay with us until the end, as we'll be unveiling some exciting project ideas that you won't want to miss. Together, let's explore the endless possibilities of woodworking and transform your living spaces into stunning reflections of your personal style. Woodworking is an art that beautifully combines functionality with aesthetics, making it an ideal avenue for home decor enthusiasts and aspiring entrepreneurs. When infused with creativity and a keen eye for design, wood crafts can transform any living space while also presenting lucrative business opportunities. This article explores stylish wood craft project ideas that not only enhance home decor, but also hold the potential for high profitability. Crafting with reclaimed wood is a sustainable choice that appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. By repurposing old wood, artisans can create unique pieces that tell a story. This trend in home decor emphasizes individuality, as each reclaimed piece has its own character and history. Projects such as custom shelving units or rustic furniture not only serve practical purposes, but also add a touch of charm to any room. This approach resonates well in the market, where unique and eco-friendly products are increasingly sought after. The rustic aesthetic continues to thrive in home decor, merging natural textures with modern design elements. Wood crafts that embody this style, such as decorative wall panels or handcrafted picture frames, create inviting atmospheres. These projects often utilize natural finishes that highlight the wood's inherent beauty, making them appealing to a broad audience. The rustic look can be particularly profitable, as consumers are drawn to items that evoke warmth and nostalgia. Teak wood, known for its durability and rich color, offers another avenue for stylish woodworking projects. While the focus here is not on specific wood products, the qualities of various woods can inspire artisans to create timeless pieces. Whether it's a sleek coffee table or elegant serving trays, the craftsmanship involved in creating these items can lead to high market value. Attention to detail and quality assurance in the crafting process will ensure that the final product stands out in a competitive marketplace. Home decor trends often shift towards minimalism, where simplicity reigns supreme. Stylish wood crafts that embody minimalistic principles can attract consumers looking for clean lines and functional design. Projects like streamlined coat racks or compact side tables exemplify how it can be used effectively in small spaces. This design philosophy not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a home, but also allows artisans to market their creations as versatile solutions for modern living. Incorporating wood crafts into outdoor spaces can significantly enhance a property's appeal. Stylish outdoor furniture, like benches or planters, can create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living areas. These projects not only beautify homes, but also serve a practical purpose, encouraging people to spend more time outdoors. The growing trend of outdoor entertaining makes these items particularly desirable, opening up additional avenues for profit in the woodworking business. The combination of wood and metal in home decor projects can create striking contrasts that elevate the overall design. Artisans can explore this fusion by crafting items like coffee tables with wooden tops and metal bases, or wall art that incorporates both materials. This blend of textures not only appeals to modern aesthetics, but also attracts a diverse clientele looking for unique, stylish pieces. The versatility of such designs can lead to higher profit margins as they cater to various tastes and preferences. Another avenue for stylish wood crafts is the creation of custom storage solutions. In today's homes, where space is often at a premium, unique wooden storage options can solve practical problems while enhancing decor. Items like handcrafted boxes or modular storage units not only keep spaces organized, but also serve as attractive focal points. By tapping into the market for functional, stylish storage, artisans can find a lucrative niche that meets the needs of contemporary homeowners. Finally, storytelling plays a crucial role in marketing wood crafts. Artisans who share the inspiration behind their projects, the materials used, and the crafting process can create a deeper connection with consumers. By emphasizing the uniqueness and craftsmanship of their items, artisans can position themselves as not just sellers, but creators of art. This narrative can significantly enhance the perceived value of their products, leading to increased sales and profitability in the long run. In conclusion, stylish wood crafts present a myriad of opportunities for home decor enhancement and profitable business ventures. By focusing on creativity, sustainability, and market trends, artisans can create unique pieces that resonate with consumers. Whether through reclaimed wood projects, minimalist designs, or engaging storytelling, the potential for success in the woodworking market is vast and inviting. Thank you for watching our video on stylish wood crafts. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights that will ignite your creativity and enhance your woodworking journey. Your engagement means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of our community. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out, we encourage you to take these ideas and make them your own. Remember to share your projects with us, as we love seeing how our tips come to life in your unique creations. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, happy crafting!